Hello friends, welcome back to IBS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Hedera hashgraph. What's the price change occur in Hedera hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hours? What's the high price of Hedera hashgraph? I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly click the subscribe button now and complete my 3K subscriber. Please, if you listen my voice, so kindly please hit the subscribe button. Now let's see the price prediction of Hedera hashgraph in the last 2 hours and the last 1 hour. What's the price change occur in Hedera hashgraph? First of all, we see the last 1 hour result of Hedera hashgraph. I'm also told about you what's my suggestion about Hedera hashgraph. Is it the best time to sell it, or is it the best time to buy or hold? I'm going to show you in this video. So please also share your opinion in the comment box. As you can see here, the last 1 hour result of Hedera hashgraph. So now currently they are in neutral. They are not goes up, not goes down. As you can see here, they are in a straight line. So we can't say about the future of Hedera hashgraph at this time. So my maybe they goes up in the future. My suggestion they goes up in the future, as you can see here. So if we see the changes of Hedera hashgraph, so the changes is about negative 0.19% change occur in Hedera hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour. And if we see the high price of Hedera hashgraph, so the high price of Hedera hashgraph is about $0.35 is the high price of Hedera, as you can see here. Friends, that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 2 hours. Let's see the 2 hour result of Hedera in the previous 2 hours. What change occur? As you can see here, in the previous 2 hours they fast down, as you can see here, and in the last 1 hour they are very fastly fast down, and after falling they are again take a jump, and now currently they are in neutral. Maybe they goes up in the future, maybe they goes down in the future. We can't say about the future of Hedera at this time. So if we see the changes of Hedera hashgraph in the previous last 2 hours, so the changes is about negative 1.96% change occur in Hedera in the previous last 2 hours, and the high price of Hedera hashgraph is about $0.359195 is the high price of Hedera in the previous last 2 hours. Friends, that is the live price prediction of Hedera hashgraph in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours. You are watching now on IBS Tech channel. If you want this type of more news and update about cryptocurrencies market, so kindly hit the subscribe button right now for more this kind of videos.